Hello team, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to use the escrow and title rate lookup. The first step is to click on the escrow and rate lookup button. Here you must fill in the information about the location, the sales price, and the loan amount. When you have filled in all the information, you have to click on Calculate. All the necessary information for the place you selected appears. If you want to share or print the data with your clients, just click on the Share button. Here you can see the summarized information, print the results, or share the PDF. Please write in the comments if you have any questions. Warm regards.